Here we go again. Here we go. What's up, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will back again, and got another box, but this one is labeled. Haha. This is probably my first purchase from Aroma Concepts. So let's check it out. Roll with me. All right, folks. So, as you see, I got another box. Black Friday. So let's check it out and see what we got in here. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but you never know. You never know. All right. See. Okay. Paper. And here's the fragrance. Here it is. I'm not sure if that's going to come in, but this is Appletini. What else is in the box? What's in the box? More paper. And what is this? Receipt. Okay. Cool. Let's check it out. Oh, look, my box is kind of jacked up from the back. Uh-oh. All right, Aroma Concepts. This is not looking good for my first purchase, but since it's already ripped here, let's go ahead. It's not completely open. It's just the plastic was jacked up a little bit. Oh, shoot. Dropped the bottle. Uh-oh. Oh, luckily it didn't break. Wait a minute, how did it come out? Look, the box is still closed, but the bottle came out. Okay, here's the bottle. Hopefully that name will come in a little bit. But this is Mawj Appletini. And let's see how this box opens. Because it flips open like that. Oh, okay. So it probably just flipped open real quick and closed right back. Okay. But anyway, okay, so the bottle was sitting in there like that. Okay, cool. All right, let's check this out. Get a vibe for what it smells like. This is supposed to be a clone of apple brandy, I think, by Killian. I think that's what it is, but okay, where's the sprayer bottle? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Goodness, okay, first spray. Let's check this out. Oh. Ooh, this kind of smells a little upscale. It's kind of nice. It does have, it says Appletini. But it has more of a dark, I think martinis are usually made with vodka, but this one smells more like a dark liquor. Like maybe a brandy. Oh, wait a minute, it's changing already. Oh. But the apple is really nice. It's like a green apple. Green apple and something smooth in the background, like maybe like some musk or sandalwood, or maybe even like tonka bean or something like that, maybe. But this is kind of nice. This is kind of upscale, but I'm sure you can dress it down, but this is kind of gives me an upscale kind of vibe. Yeah, but a fresh upscale kind of vibe. This is nice. Okay, I'm digging it. This is kind of like in the lines of some of those ones that are like the angel share kind of vibe. So again, there's the bottle, and this is Appletini. The top is just plastic. There's nothing special about it. It has a nice design on it, but nothing special about it. And has a pretty nice sprayer also. Let's see. Yeah, that's a nice sprayer. Actually, that's a really nice sprayer. Oh man, yeah, and in the air that smells good too. Ooh, wait a minute. Let me see if I can get this on my skin. I have something on, so might not be a fair assessment, but I want to just see how it is on my skin. Ooh, a little alcohol with that first. Going in a little bit too early. Little bit too early. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is smooth. I'm digging this. Hold on a second. Let me get the notes and then just run through so we can see what it really is in it. I was kind of on point. I like that. But notes on this Appletini, the top notes are cardamom and bergamot. So I kind of get that cardamom and the bergamot. Yes, it's kind of fresh, but the middle notes are apple, brandy, rum, pineapple, vanilla, and moss. The moss is that smooth the smooth vibe that I was getting. Probably the vanilla also. But when I say that smell like comes off like a darker alcohol, that's probably what it is. It's probably the rum and the brandy. But anyway, the base notes are ambroxan and cedar. Ooh. So that means this might project pretty good. And this might be one of those compliment kind of fragrances. This is nice. I'm gonna have to rock this. But this smells like this is more of a spring and summer kind of vibe. Maybe early fall, but I'm not sure if this is gonna be able to last or do well in the wintertime. So I might not be able to wear it for a while, unless I wear it in the evening and in the controlled environment. So for right now, I'm digging it. I really like this. Yeah. This is good. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, checking out Appletini. It's your boy Will with the Will Report, and I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new fragrance that I just got, Appletini. It's a good one. I think you should pick it up, and I got it for a good sale too. I think I got it on Black Friday, or with the Black Friday sales with from Aroma Concepts, and I think it was like $27 or something like that. It was like half price. Anyway, yeah, check it out if you can. Until next time, deuces.